Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Arif. Welcome back again to my natural studio. It's raining in my area. You are watching on the screen right now. So in this rain time, I would like to talk about how to introduce yourself. So introduce yourself is very important for everyone, for every person, for every student, for every teacher, for every human being. It's very important because when you go to different places, like when you go to school, when you go to college, when you go to office, or when you go to job preparation, every time, everywhere, you should say introduce yourself. You should say how to introduce yourself properly. So in this video I would like to talk about how to introduce yourself properly and professionally. So I think this video will be best for you. At the very first time, you have to stand up front of the people, and at the first time you should say assalamu alaikum everybody, a very good morning to you all. At the first time you should assalamu alaikum everyone, because it's very respectful and it's a very Islamic verse, right? So at the first time you should say assalamu alaikum everybody, then you should say a very good morning to you all. It can be morning, or it can be night, or it can be noon, it can be afternoon, but what is the time, exactly the time you should say that. And after that you gotta say, first of all, I would like to thanks for give me a chance to say something in front of you. So at the first time you are thanking the respectful person or front of the people, and which front of the people, what are you talking about? So that's why you can say that, first of all, I would like to thanks for give me a chance to say something in front of you. Again, you'd like to say that, again I would like to thanks my honorable teacher, my honorable boss, or my honorable partners, business partner. It can be your business partner, right? Or anything, or any person can have front of you that time, right? So that's why you should say, again I would like to thanks my honorable. You should say honorable because it's very respectful word. Again you would like to say here I go. So here I go, that means now I'm starting. So now I'm starting, instead of that you can say here I go. It's very professional and polite. Okay, then you should say today I would like to talk about anything. You can say anything, or like that you will say today I would like to talk about marketing, today I would like to talk about spoken English, today I would like to talk about English, today I would like to talk about business, today I would like to talk about the meeting. So anything, yes, your wish. So what topic you are decided for talking, with that topic you should say today I would like to talk about spoken English, like that. I want to say about spoken English, so like that I will say some sentence. So let's start. Today I would like to talk about spoken English. Spoken English is very important for every student. English is an international language, and if you can speak English fluently, you can get value from other people. From most of the people you will get respect. It's very important for learning English. Okay, so like that you have to say with your topic, and then finally you should say again I would like to thanks my honorable teacher, my honorable boss, and thank for listening my presentation. I think you have listened my presentation. Again you would like to say thanks for listening my presentation. Take care. I will see you very soon with another video, with another class, with another topic, or with another business conversation, with another business meeting. Anything you can say, but with that topic you have to say that. Okay, so at the last time you should say, last of all, I would like to thanks for listening my presentation, and finally you should say that's all, or this is it. It's very professional. So I will clear to you all the things properly right now. From the beginning I'm starting at this time. Okay, let's start. Here I go. So you should say assalamu alaikum everybody, a very good morning to you all. This is Arif. First of all, I would like to thanks for give me a chance to say something in front of you. Again, I would like to thanks my honorable teacher, my honorable boss. So today I would like to talk about spoken English. Spoken English is the most important part for the human being, for the students. If you learn English, is very important for you. You can get value from every sector. You can get a good job. You can get a good result. Everything. With that topic, I have to say more words. And then finally, I would like to say, last of all, I would like to thanks for listening my presentation. That's all. So guys, I think you have understood very well how to pronunciation and how to give the introduce yourself in front of the people. I think it was very, very helpful for you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. I will see you that kind of video again. So in this rain time, I made this video. So it was heavy rain. if you're watching the video, so it's very important for me, leave a comment in comment box and share to with your other friends. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.